So hello friends, welcome back to channel. In our previous video, we are discussing about the disabling the control delete combination on the system. Then we have introduced to ln-sf command, which is used to create a soft link. Okay, so there are two types of link, hard link and a soft link. And there is a basic difference between hard link and a soft link. Hard link will point to the same pointer on a hard disk, whether soft link will point to a different pointer on a hard disk. Let me show you in a file. Here my screen. So let's assume this is our hard disk, okay, and which is divided to small chunks like this. Okay, data is written in these chunks. Some are big, some are small. So this how. Okay, and if we are talking about the hard link, so in hard link, this is the file 1, okay, file 1, and we create a hard link of this, so that will also point to the same, okay, like this file 2 is a hard link of file 1 will point to a same location, okay. And if we are creating a soft link, then that will point to a different inode, different location on hard disk, okay. So this is, let's assume this is our hard disk and this is the data written, and file 1 is saved on this location. If we create a hard link, file 2 will also point to a same location, but if we are creating a soft link, that will point to a different location. So you can assume soft link as a shortcut on a Windows, okay, like right click creating a shortcut we are doing. Let me show you. Okay, we have to select some directory and create a desktop shortcut. Okay, I have created a desktop shortcut which came here. So it is just a pointer, okay, just pointing to that directory. You're able to see. So if I delete, this is a soft link. If I delete this, original file will not get any impact. But if I delete the original file, soft link there's no use. So let's create a soft link and hard link. So first we'll create a directory Amit, okay. Amit is a test file. So we'll create ln test, and this will be the 2, okay. ls, do ls-l, test2 is created, okay. ls-I do the I thing. Both are having same inode number. You are able to see 14172169, 14172169. So now I will delete the, we'll see the get test. There's nothing. Let's write something. There is file, okay, save it. Now we'll read the content of test2. If both are pointing to the same inode, content will be the same. Boom, that's okay. So this is the hard link, ls-I, you see both are having the same inode number. Even though if I delete test, there will be no impact because test2 is still pointing to a same inode number and the content is still same. So let me rename the test2 again to test. This time we'll create ln-s soft link test2 test. Okay, sorry, test of test2. Okay, test2 got created. We are able to see test2 is pointing to test. Now let's see get test2. Okay, content is same, but if you see, it's showing inode number is different, 14172169, and the inode of this soft link is 14159720. So if I delete the original file, there's no use of soft link because it's just a shortcut. So let me rename test 3. So link will get removed. See, you're able to see it's pointing like this. Now if I try to read test 2, no such file or directory, but link is still there. Only thing, the inode it is referring to earlier, ls-li, it got removed, it got changed. See, and it was test, now it is test 3. So let me roll back test 3 test. Okay, now cat test 2 will work. That is got the original file here. So that's the logical difference. Soft link and hard link. Soft link will have the same inode number and hard link will have the different inode number. So due to that, there's a major change. We clear all this. Okay. Let's assume we are having two disks, two partition, SDA and SDV. Two disks are there, one partition are here. Data is written like small chunk here. We'll copy and paste. Okay, copy paste will not work here. Like this, data is written. Okay, and some data is written here. So by creating a file system, inode get divided. So you see, this disk will have inode number 1 to 100. Okay, and this will have 101 to 200. That's our inode design. If we are creating a hard link, so hard link will have the same inode number, correct? So if you create a hard link, it will have the same inode number. But if you want to create a hard link to other directory or other system, it will not work because the partition, while creating partition, inode got divided. So let's assume our file is having 55 inode number. But in different file system, that 55 inode number will not be there because that range is different. So that's why there is a limitation in hard link. If you create a hard link, that should be in the same partition. Okay, that should be in the same partition. In soft link, it's just a shortcut. It can go here and here also. Okay, let me show you that also. So now we'll create a soft link. For soft link, ln-s, and we have to give complete path /root amit s-link to where we want to create UUID. Okay, now ll/UUID. Got test files s-link created here. Okay, now we'll see the inode number ls-i s-link current directory, and then we'll see /UUID s-link. Both are having different inode number, but if let's see the s-link data, okay, and in the UUID s-link, both are having the same data because this UUID s-link is pointing to this. But if I delete s-link, now there's no use of /UUID s-link because it was just a pointer. Okay, it was redirecting, it's just a shortcut. When original file got deleted, there's no use. So there is the importance of original file here in a soft link, but in hard link, both are pointing to the same inode number. If original file get deleted, still you are having the hard link which is pointing to the same. Okay, so that's the basic difference. Hard link will have the same inode number, soft link will have the different inode number. Because hard link will have same inode number, so cannot go beyond the file system. It should be in the same file system. Same inode soft link. In a soft link, inode number is different, so it can go anywhere. Okay, so that's how it works. But due to that, one question arrived: can we create a soft link of a directory? Yes, let's see. mkdir, what is total? Okay, we have created a directory called L. Now let's have hi kk. Okay, kk is having this inode number. I create ls hyphen ln hyphen s kk, and it will do slash root commit kk. Will get root commit. The inode number of ff, okay, is different, where inode number of kk is different. Both are having different inode number. So each and every file, whatever you are creating in a file system or Linux, will have an inode number. In soft link is always different. In hard link is always same. So two directory will not have the same inode number. Okay, then we can create a soft link of a directory. So I hope it is clear. If you are still having some question regarding hard link or soft link, please use the comment box. I will try to help you. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Goodbye.